Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best kids' daily clothes organizer on the market, the Fixwal 2-pack 6-shelf weekly hanging closet organizer. If you're a parent looking to simplify your child's morning routine and keep their wardrobe neat and accessible, this product might just be the game changer you need. This organizer is designed with kids in mind, offering a clever and practical way to store daily outfits for the entire week. Measuring approximately 51 inches in depth and nearly 12 inches in width and height, it provides ample room to separate clothes by day, making outfit planning straightforward and stress-free. With 6 spacious shelves, you can easily organize clothes from Monday to Saturday or Sunday, whichever suits your family's schedule best. One of the standout features of this organizer is its 2 sets of side pockets, made from nylon mesh, 3 on each side, perfect for smaller items like socks, hats, or accessories. This thoughtful design ensures that no piece of clothing or accessory gets lost in the shuffle, keeping everything visible and within reach. Durability is a key concern for any closet organizer, especially one used daily by kids. The Fixwal organizer addresses this with a 2mm cardboard liner inside each shelf, providing sturdy support that prevents sagging. This ensures your child's clothes stay neatly stored without the shelves bending under the weight, a feature that adds significant longevity to the product. Installation is remarkably simple, requiring no tools. The organizer uses a strong stainless steel triangle hook that fits most closet rods or wire racks, allowing you to hang it effortlessly. There's also an option to secure it with Velcro wraps for additional stability, preventing any sagging or shifting, which is perfect for active kids or busy households. Another great aspect is the inclusion of 2 sets of weekly labels with the organizer. These labels come in vibrant rainbow colors and soothing blue gradients, allowing you to customize the look according to your preference. The labels slide into a double-layer PVC sleeve with high-quality polyester hemming, ensuring they stay in place and look neat, making it easy for kids to recognize their daily clothes quickly. The versatility of this hanging shelf goes beyond just kids' clothes. It works wonderfully as a baby clothes organizer too, helping caregivers pre-select outfits for the day and making dressing easier and faster. And for adults or busy individuals, it can also be used to plan outfits for the week in advance, making morning routines smoother. The material choice, a breathable non-woven fabric combined with the cardboard liner, balances strength with lightweight portability. This makes it easy to move or rearrange within your closet space whenever needed, without sacrificing structural integrity. Overall, the Fixwal 6-shelf weekly hanging closet organizer is an ideal solution for anyone looking to organize daily clothes efficiently. It keeps clothes organized, accessible, and ready to wear, reducing the chaos of busy mornings. Its thoughtful design, durable build, easy installation, and additional storage pockets make it a standout product in the kids' organization category. If you want a practical, space-saving, and stylish way to manage your kids' wardrobe daily, this hanging organizer could be exactly what you need. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product insights. See you next time.